Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel here. For today, we're gonna get into this one band. Oh boy, I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce their band name here. You know what? I'm trying to figure out what song I want to react to this band. I'm looking for it right now. One of my lovely subscribers requested this, so appreciate it. Boy, I don't know what to get into. We're gonna go for Alright, so actually we'll try sometime this week. We'll go for the EP stream. But for right now, we'll just go for Monkey Noises. So hey, let's just get right into it here. Different headset this time, but hey, it's still going blue. Not red this time, but hey, it counts. It counts. So here we go. Monkey Noises by this band. Again, I'm not going to attempt. I apologize. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh boy.
We are a acidic vaginal liquid explosion generated by mass amounts of filthy fecal fisting and sadistic sex of fetish sodomy inside an infected, maggot-infested wound on a molested nun dying under the roof of a burning church while the priest watches and ejaculates in immense perverse pleasure over his first fresh fetus.
Oh! Nice. Wow. Nothing the long dress. That's so cool. Oh, nice. I get a little bit groove in it. All right. Oh. Wow. How many people are on stage? Got the drummer, 2 guitarists, bassists, vocalists. 6, 5, 6. Wow. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, those pig squirrels. Ooh. Nice. Ooh. Oh, that's so dirty. That is so dirty. Oh man. What's that? What was that? What the heck? Nice. Oh. Oh. Nice. Oh. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. The head banging. Oh my god. Oh. Oh wow, so that's what the name looks like. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. Wait, there's no. I'm looking at another glimpse of it right now. For the thumbnail. Wow, that's so weird. It's cool, but wow. I can never read deathcore band names. That's a challenge. And if y'all can read that on the spot, hey, big props to you. Big props. Like, that's a challenge. Wow. Wow. This that was something. That was something. I liked it. I liked it. I enjoyed it. It wasn't too much. Cause I do like deathcore again. Like Fire is Murder. Like Stars to Prevail. You know, all of them. People in Autopsy. That's all good. This one, again, I liked it. It was just there were just some parts when I felt like but overall, they can get down. They can go dirty. They're a great band. Song overall, it's good. It's great. It's amazing. For me, it's just I don't know. It's like that one roller coaster you went on when you when you finally realize like, oh yeah, this is for sure my limit. I can't go anything beyond this, you know. It's like that. But this is cool. Definitely, I will be honest. I will check out. Again, I will be checking out their EP again because I am interested. I am interested. This one definitely hit me in the gut. Definitely. There were some unexpected moments for this song, but hey, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. And I'm really down. Let's listen to some more songs of them, especially their EP. 12 minutes, 15 seconds. Ooh, that should be fun. Nothing but pigs squealing and just, ooh, I can tell it's gonna be good. Haven't heard any song. I think there was one. It was like years ago though, so I totally forgot. So yeah, that will do it, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, I'm so blown away from what I just heard. Gosh, and I thought Within Destruction was nasty. I thought Infant Annihilator was nasty, but these guys, oof. Wow, wow. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be it for this reaction. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment down below what other music videos you want me to react to. And hey, if you want more content, please subscribe. It will seriously mean the world to me. I appreciate it. We already reached 50 subscribers. I'm shooting for 100 now. Really love and appreciate. Seriously, I was so happy when just seeing everyone subscribing to this channel. It means a lot. It makes me want to react to even more songs, and I love doing this. It's like, just love it. It's awesome. So until then, all of you beautiful people out there, see ya.